Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham and welcome in another BornPrettyStore product review video. This is Artist L004 stamping plate. But before trying the stamping plate, I'll be doing a dry brush design as the base of my nail art. You have to wipe off most of the nail polish on the brush just like this. Then brush it on your white base with different angles and positions. Then proceed to another color. And I'm applying another color. Then let it dry and apply a fast drying top coat. And I did it to all of my nails. Now let's try the stamping plate. I'm using a black stamping polish for today. After stamping each designs on my nails, I applied a thick, glossy top coat. Then I decided to apply a matte top coat. I think it looks better this way. What do you guys think? This stamping plate contains objects, humans, and animal designs that have a unique artistic style. All of them are stylish and delicate. If you want to check this product out, the link is available on the description box below. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!